This mini meatloaf is super easy to put together, and why is it so fun to eat mini everything? Follow along and I will show you step by step how to make this easy weeknight dinner. Okay, so to get started, here are my ingredients. The first thing I have is some beef, and I like to do like an 85-15, so 15% of it is fat. I'm going to saute some onion and some peppers, and you can use any kind of onion or any kind of bell pepper here. And then I have my panko breadcrumbs, and then I have a little bit of heavy cream. I have an egg, and then of course my seasoning is garlic and then salt and pepper. And then my topping, this is the best part. I like to do a mixture of half tomato sauce, half barbecue sauce, and it kind of like glazes on top of the meatloaf, and it makes it so delicious. All right, so the onions here are a little bit translucent and the peppers are nice and soft. Okay, so to combine our mini meatloaf, I have my beef here, and then I'm going to add my panko breadcrumbs, and then one egg. Here we go. And then cream and our garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Also my peppers and onions. Just mix this all up until it's nice and combined, and that egg is throughout the meatloaf. There we go. And you don't want to over mix this or else it gets kind of pasty. So just do it until it's combined. You just take a little bit of a meatball here, and they're probably going to be about 1.5 inches in diameter. There we go. I also want to grease my baking sheet, and then we can place each little mini meatloaf into our muffin bowl. And then for my glaze on top, I am just combining some barbecue sauce and some tomato sauce. And if you add this right before, you want to bake these until they reach an internal temperature of about 165. Here are my mini meatloaf. Look at that glaze. It is just so pretty on there and caramelized, and the edges are just a little bit golden. And we like to serve these with just a little side of mashed potato, just a little pat of butter there. Okay, here is my mini meatloaf. Look how cute it is. And we like to serve it like alongside some mashed potatoes with maybe a little side salad. It makes just the best weeknight dinner, and it can be made in about 30 minutes. Look how cute those are. And the glaze on those is so delicious. I can't wait for you to try it, but that is just practically perfect weeknight dinner. These meatballs, it's the combination of the peppers and the onions, and then also like that heavy cream that just is the perfect combination. Okay, so now it's time for the taste test. It's a big bite. So yummy. I mean, look at those meatballs. They're like perfectly cooked. And then that glaze, oh, that glaze is so yummy. All right, now you know how to make my favorite little mini meatloaves. I hope your family loves this just as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.